FedEx just came to deliver my package. I'm so excited. Yay! They out. So my packages, number 1 and number 2. Let's do it. Alright guys, so this is my unboxing time. So I am so scared of spiders in my basement, so I just hope I don't have no spider crawling around because it's gonna freak me out and I'm gonna stop this video. So we're gonna start this unboxing right now. I'm gonna show to you guys how their stuff look like. Let me bring this closer. And this again is bbcraft that I always order from. So I'm gonna open a box, and yeah, I'm excited because I have a lot of work to do and I've been waiting for this. So when I'm done with this unboxing, I am definitely cutting some of the materials and start sewing. I'm just hoping I don't cut the material. So they should have even put like a, see that? They should have put like a box so that when you open it you don't cut it, because I already cut the bag but it did not get to the tube. So, but anyways, I'm gonna open the other one. I'm so careful with all the spiders in these videos. Alright. So up front you guys can see the orange. And I have the green. I'll have to unpack everything for you guys to see, but let me open this other one up if I'm gonna see the packing slip in there. So I gotta be careful with this one as well. Alright, that was really packed real good. So you guys can see that. And what kind of glue did I thought I did not buy this kind of glue. I thought I bought I have this type. I thought I bought the turquoise or whatever they call that. The darker blue. Oh, it's in my eyes. Let me check. Because I have, oh, it's 2 different kind of glue. I wanted the darker one. Oh, dang. That was my fault. So, look at the 2 kinds of blue. So, this was the type that I thought they sent for me, but I wanted something darker than this. But this will work. As long as it's not this, because I have over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a half, almost 7 bags of this. So y'all can see that they have their bagging is really good, like really good. And this is how it comes. It's just 2 fabric at the top, and I love the way they bag their stuff. It makes it helps me stay organized. I really love it. And I love this pink. It is so pretty. And I got black. I bought like over 10 blacks because I go through black like a lot. So I'm just gonna start putting them in their shells so y'all can see. I hope y'all can see. I'm gonna have to move it around. I want a situation but you guys can see the whole racks and see what I'm doing here. So, whoops, these are falling. I get it. So I'm gonna rearrange this other rack here. There are some tools that I don't use at all. This is busted, so I can use an old one. This is a pretty fabric, pretty color. but I don't have a tutu for this color yet. I was gonna use this color for like adult tutu, but I've not really started doing a lot of the adults yet. So let me show you these other pretty colors. I have some pretty colors that I want to do adult tutu with, but I haven't had the time for it. So I have the maroon. I have like a silver, not silver, goldish. I don't know what color. Is it silver? I don't know. Whatever color this is, gray. It's not gray. But anyways, I'm gonna rearrange all of this and put the ones that I don't really use at the bottom. See the cat can sleep. Yeah, I didn't even count because I kind of trust them. They are always accurate. I'm done with that box. On to the next one. So this is my new upgraded pink from this one. I think this is gonna work better for me. This one I'm gonna make sure I finish this up though before I continue with this. And I have 3 kinds of pink. I'm gonna show you guys the other one. These I use for my Barbie tutu, and you can see the difference. And so I have 3 types, like I told you guys, 3 types of pinks. So these 2 don't look like they're different, but they are. See the shades? Basically, this rack is where I put all the tools that are like pieces that are left that I'm gonna use again. So when I cut out of it, I keep them here. I know this is a rack I deal with first before I start open up another bag. So basically, that's what it is. So you know, I'm gonna reduce what is up there. So I think, oopsie. Oh yeah. Spider. Maybe I'm just tripping. Oh. When you know that you got spiders around, it just freaks you out when you feel something on you. Maybe it was a spider. I gotta get out of this place. I gotta get out of this place. I'm tripping. Alright guys, I am done. I'm out. I'm out. My mom always tells me I'm just freaking out. There's not much spider, but the fact that I have seen spider around, honey, there is spider. So I will just verify that I got everything that I wanted. So I'll just tell you this. I usually buy these 2, each of them like $10.99. Right now they're on sale on bbcraft.com. and I got them for $8.99 at this point. So I have 3 purple, and yes, I got the 3 purples. This one I brought it from the top here. 10 red, so I'm gonna verify I got 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So I told you these people are really good. And 5 green. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 black. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 yellow. Alright, you guys. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, I really squeezed this one in. I didn't know it can take 5. And these racks, I bought them from Walmart, if you're wondering where I bought them from. And 5 fuchsia fabric. So these are the fuchsia. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. So, oh, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down here. 5 turquoise. This does not look so much like turquoise, but we can take it as it is, because the other one I bought was really darker than this, but whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 of it. And 5 shocking pink. That pink that I told you guys about, that is gonna be my replacement. For this other pink, it is called a shocking pink, and I kind of like it because it's different. So it's 5 of it. I have 1, 2 here, 3, 4, 5. So everything is correct. So everything is correct. Nothing is missing. So I'm happy. So I spent. Let's see if they have the total here. I spent $458.49. You guys see that? 400 and it's hard for you guys to see, but that's what I spent for all of this. So this does not really cost a lot of money. You stock yourself up. Like, let me move so you guys can see how much I have for $400.58. $458.49 for all of this. So I also bought for my mom. I spent like $300 and whatever dollars for her own fabric, because she sews for me. So when she's done with she's done with hers, sometimes she come get some from me, and sometimes when she comes stay with me, she don't have to bring her own material. She just use what I got. So that's the reason why I buy for her and I buy for myself. And right now, I don't know when this video is gonna come up, but for Halloween they have 10% off. If I post this video before Halloween, then take advantage of it. They got 10% off. Do not miss out on that deal, because I did miss out. I did not look at my email to see if they had sent me code, like any kind of deals they got going on. I did not do that because I ordered mine before my mom's. So when I wanted to check out for my mom's, I was like, let me see if they got any deal. And lo and behold, because there's a spot where you say put discount code, lo and behold, when I checked my mail, they had sent me 10% off Halloween deal. I was so pissed. There was no way for me to reverse. Let me bend down this way. Oopsie. There was no way for me to reverse my order. I could not cancel. So for my mom's order, I had over $30-something off, because I told you guys I had $300 and something worth of items. So for mine, it would have been 10% off of these $448 or $58. So that would have been like probably $45, $46 off. Close to $50 I would have gotten off from this. So take advantage of it. Don't be like me again that did not know that there was a deal. Always check your email, check and make sure that that's if you've purchased from them or you open an account. Maybe they will let me put like this. Whew. So I'm not bending now. What the heck? So check your emails. If you are registered with bbcraft, you may get a deal from them. So you don't want to miss on any kind of deals they have. Always check your emails. So that's how I missed out on 10% off, but I'm still happy I was able to get that on my mom's order, because I literally ordered like 5 minutes apart, or no, not 5 minutes apart, like less than 30 minutes apart. So I'm like, really? I just literally missed this because I did not think about no discounts. But anyways, this is the end of this this unpacking, unboxing, whatever you call it. And you guys, I tell you this, I love bbcraft. Their shipping is free, so you know that if you buy certain amount you get a free shipping. So for me, I got the free shipping because of course I got a lot, but I think their free shipping start with $100, $70. I don't know. I'll put it on the screen if I figure it out, if I find out. But if not, then you'll get some kind of free shipping, because they have free shipping for certain amount. You know how businesses do, they give you free shipping if you buy up to certain amount. So that's a way for you to buy, for them to boost their sale. So yeah, so right now, like I told you guys from the earlier, you get to buy it $8.99. It's on sale right now. Why? If you go on Amazon, you buy it for $15, $14.99. Sometimes you find ones that are even more expensive than that. So I always like to buy from bbcraft because I get the free shipping, and also I get to pay lesser amounts compared to Amazon or Walmart. So take advantage of that. And they also have this sizes as well. This one here, and it is 6 inches for 6 inches, 100 yards. If these are the kind of tool you use for your tutus, they have it for a cheaper amount. I cannot remember how much. I'll put on the screen if I figure that out. I think it's less than $5 for this, maybe $2 and some cent for these ones on bbcraft. It's really doable. Like, I love bbcraft. So I have this. I had gotten this from them in the past, like all of this is how their packaging is for that. And yeah, I really love bbcraft. And I bought some of them. Another one, the colors that I did not buy from bbcraft, other colors that I needed that I don't have, I bought from Amazon. Of course, it was more expensive, almost maybe twice or 3 times the amount that I bought this. So bbcraft got a good deal. Don't miss out on that. FYI, this is not a sponsored video. But anyways, guys, thank you so much. And I will say I will recommend them. I hope they see this video and sponsor your girl, because I'm always promoting them. I love them so much, and I hope they sponsor me someday. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for hanging with me. Right now I'm gonna start making tutus, and I'm gonna get busy in a minute when I'm done with this video. Thank you so much, and have a blessed day. As always, stay positive, work hard, and always make it happen. Bye. See you in my next video. Peace out.